In this demonstration, audience gives 20 random objects in 2 to 3 minutes. These objects are written on a whiteboard. Children apply the memory and mind science principles they learned during the workshop and within a few minutes recall these random objects forward 1 to 20, backward 20 to 1, and random recall. For example, audience asks an object and child tells what number it is on. Or, audience tells a number and the child tells what object is on that number. All this is done with a sense of confidence, calmness, with no stress, anxiety, or nervousness. All within 3 days of training. This skill can be further applied into academics, where children can rapidly learn and recall anything from their school textbooks using the techniques they learned during the workshop.
Exit sign, light, smartphone, water bottle, water fountain.
Alright, so after smartphone,
Water fountain?
yeah, right.
Smartphone, projector, chair, guitar, apple, screen, slate, pillow, volleyball, door, bottle, dresser, light bulb or bulb,